Hello, you lovely people. I'm back in the kitchen today to show you a recipe to make your holiday season a little better. What's in the box, of course, you'll have to wait for that, but I'm going to begin with a recipe. Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Get Curried. I'm going to show you grilled fish. Let's begin. This is possibly one of the easiest ways to grill fish. I'm using kingfish, one of my most favorite fish varieties, and this is also known as surmai. I personally love using dans of surmai, whether it's a curry or a grilled fish or anything for that matter. We're going to marinate this, keep it absolutely quick, simple, easy and basic, and that's the magic of this recipe. Let's add salt. Because it's a larger slice, of course the salt has to be in accordance. To this, I'm going to add in freshly crushed black pepper. It's important to ensure that the entire surface of the fish is well marinated. To this, I'm going to add in juice of half a lime. Lemon juice, because of course you need it nice, citrusy and lemony. Remember a fact that whenever you marinate fish, especially with any acidic medium, it should not be kept for a long time. Literally 2-3 minutes and it should be ready to cook. That's when you pat it on both the sides, because of course the marination, the salt, pepper, lemon juice has to be rubbed in very nicely. And finally, I'm going to add in just a little bit olive oil. Rub this well. Well, our fish is marinated and ready. 2 to 3 minutes and that should be just perfect. Now, if you remember right towards the beginning, I spoke about a surprise and that literally came in a box. Time to unveil this. Ta-da! Presenting to you Panasonic microwave oven. Well, this is a gift from me to you. I've been aware of its features and I had to give it a try. And this is the day. So let's begin with grilling our fish. When I say the recipe is easy, I absolutely mean it. What you need to do is watch this very carefully right till the end, because here there is something more than a recipe. Thank me later. But before that, let me introduce you to Panasonic microwave oven. Well, this has an ability of 360-degree heat trapping. This technology ensures equal distribution of heat for proper and even cooking. This microwave oven is also designed in a way that it prevents the heat in the cavity of the microwave oven and prevents it from escaping. Well, it's now time to grill the fish. Let's grill to glory. For this recipe, I'm going to use the high rack and the crispy plate. But before that, I'm also going to add in some cherry tomatoes, of course for flavor and color. Just cut these into halves and that would work like magic in terms of flavor. And along with this, I'm also going to cut a few wedges of lemon. Now this is only for the ones like me who enjoy the fish a little lemony. Remember to leave the space for the placement of the fish. Now let's place this in the microwave. We're going to select the grill mode and the expected cooking time is 10 minutes. While I was reading about the appliance, I came across this wonderful technology called double grilling. And this is something that Panasonic microwave uses, and that way the fish becomes nice and crisp, and that's what we're looking at. It's soon going to be 6 minutes and it's time to give the fish a flip. This needs to be flipped very carefully. This double grill technology works wonderfully well and simultaneously at that. What this does is ensures that the fish is nice, plump and juicy within and crisp and grilled on the outside. Now, this also ensures that the daily pressures of making main courses is taken care of. So you need to make multiple things using this appliance. Now is the time to put this back to grill for the remaining 4 minutes. It's going to be 10 minutes and the fish is going to be perfectly grilled. Let's bring it out. finally, time to plate this. Not really required, but important. I'm adding in some extra black pepper because I like it that way. But nevertheless, you can serve this with some extra lemon, with some English mustard or hollandaise sauce. Do not forget the lemon wedges, which are perfectly grilled, along with cherry tomatoes. And finally to this, one little herby touch, and that is curled parsley. Just add it here and there. That's about it. Doesn't this look delicious? Well, this is grilled fish for all of you, and this, trust me, will make your holiday season extra special. Wait for what next the Bombay chef gets into your kitchen, but I am not going to reveal everything today. But something exciting is coming your way because I am going to keep giving healthy twists with Panasonic microwave oven, so you need to stay tuned and do not miss the next video. Bye for now.